Well, hi everybody. I'm up here on the roof of Nikita Chloe today, and the reason I'm up here is because I was just poking my head through the bedroom skylight here just to have a look at what the state of the roof was like, whether it was dirty or clean or whatever, because I'm not really happy with the state of the roof lights and the windows through, so I wanted to come up at some point and give them a clean. But as I poke my head up through the roof light, just have a look. I've got to say, the roof light is not well, the roof itself is not that bad in terms of clean and dirty. I mean, you see it's a bit mucky down this end, but in general I think you'll agree probably it's not that bad. It's dirty and it could do with a good clean. You see it's pretty superficial, but I found a hole in the roof. Well, it's not directly in the roof, it's in one of the panels. So it's down here, just down here. You see now, this is the sort of corner edge of the roof here, and then that way is the back panel, and this is the side here, and it's got that there. But I think that is pretty full of plastic, so there doesn't look to be any way that there can be any water ingress in there. Let's just show you that a bit closer. There's a real close-up view of it. It's about as big as the end of my thumb. So while I'm doing a repair down the other end, while I'm doing that repair down the other end, I'll probably do that one as well. Although the colour matching won't really make any difference. No one's ever going to see that bit. But while I'm up here, why don't I give you a bit of a view of the campsite, if I can. I'm standing up, taking a bit of a chance, but here we are. Let's go and have a little view, panoramic view of Bonterra Park. I guess no one's ever seen this much of it before. Here we go. So this is the back gate and the pathway out, and then we've got all the other bits and pieces over there. And there's Wendy down there on the ground.
Hi.
So that's it from me today. I've got to get on, try and seal that hole up before any rain comes. Not any rain due, at least for the next week, so we're all good. And I'm going to carefully climb down off the roof. If you enjoyed this video, why not give us a thumbs up, and if you want to continue following our adventure, why not consider subscribing? And if you want reminders for when we ever upload a new video, click the bell icon. Anyway, I'll see you again soon. Bye bye for now. Bye.